Join me as I dive into the world of cilantro to see if it really holds the secret to amazing health benefits. Cilantro is one of those herbs that's instantly recognizable, not just because of its unique flavor, but also because of its versatility in so many different types of cuisine. From Mexican to Indian, Middle Eastern to Asian, cilantro is a staple in many kitchens around the world. But beyond its culinary appeal, is there more to this herb than meets the eye? Could it actually hold the secret to some amazing health benefits? That's what we're going to explore today. I think it's safe to say that cilantro is a bit of a polarizing herb. Some people love its fresh, citrusy flavor, while others can't stand the way it tastes. But beyond the taste debate, there are some common misconceptions about cilantro that I want to address. One of the biggest ones is that cilantro is somehow bland or nutrient poor, which couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, cilantro is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make it a nutritional powerhouse. Another misconception about cilantro is that it's only good for adding flavor to dishes, and not much else. But the truth is, cilantro has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments, from digestive issues to skin problems. And while some of these uses might not be backed by modern science, it's clear that our ancestors knew something about cilantro that we're only just starting to rediscover. Some people might be thinking, but I don't like the way cilantro tastes, so why bother with it? And that's a fair point. But the good news is, you don't have to like the taste of cilantro to reap its health benefits. You can add it to soups, smoothies, or juices, or even take it in supplement form. The point is, there are plenty of ways to get the benefits of cilantro without having to deal with its flavor. So what exactly are the health benefits of cilantro? Well, for starters, it's an incredibly potent anti-inflammatory. It's rich in compounds like polyphenols and flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. It's also a rich source of vitamins and minerals, like vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. But one of the most exciting benefits of cilantro is its potential to aid in detoxification. Cilantro has been shown to have a chelating effect on heavy metals like mercury and lead, helping to remove them from the body and promote a healthy balance of essential minerals. And when combined with other detoxifying herbs and nutrients, cilantro can be a powerful tool in supporting overall health and well-being. In fact, research has shown that cilantro can be an effective natural remedy for a range of health issues, from high blood pressure to high cholesterol. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that cilantro extract was able to reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in patients with type 2 diabetes. And another study published in the Journal of Food Science found that cilantro had antimicrobial properties, making it a potential natural remedy for foodborne illnesses. But don't just take my word for it. Dr. Josh Axe, a leading expert in natural health, has written extensively about the benefits of cilantro. According to Dr. Axe, cilantro is a natural detoxifier that can help to remove heavy metals and other toxins from the body, promoting a healthy balance of essential nutrients. And when combined with other natural remedies, cilantro can be a powerful tool in supporting overall health and well-being. So let's recap the amazing health benefits of cilantro that we've discussed today. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its potential for detoxification, and from its nutrient content to its antimicrobial properties, cilantro is truly a super herb that deserves a place in everyone's diet. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with cilantro that you'd like to share? Do you have a favorite recipe that features this amazing herb? Let me know. And if you're interested in learning more about healthy herbs, be sure to check out my video on the benefits of turmeric. It's a game changer.